You guys ever wonder what the inside of LT1 looks like? There you go. Tearing this old shitty motor down. It's all rusted out. It's been sitting outside. It's missing an oil pan, crank, all kinds of shit. So there's with all the brackets off. The intake manifold. Tearing it down because I'm scrapping it out. But there's your heads and the rocker arms and push rods, valve springs. About to take these off next, if I can get these rusty ass bolts out. Then I'll show the cylinders. There's all the push rods and rocker arms out. Valves will remain. Just gonna unbolt this thing and pull it off. There's your 17 head bolts. I gotta whack this sucker loose now. There's the cylinder head off. Valves. Pistons. That's the underside of the intake manifold. There's the bottom. You can see the camshaft down in there. Rods, pistons. There's your piston. I'm trying to tear this down enough so I can move it. It's still really freaking heavy. Push this fucking piston out. That's stuck on a gasket. Get out of there. There we go. There you go. There's all the pistons. So there's the bottom. The pistons removed. Camshaft there.